To open the fridge, locate the release catch on the top of the door. Push down and pull. When closing, push until you hear it click back into place. To turn the fridge on, press and hold the black power button on the left until the panel illuminates. Flashing lights and beeping mean there is no power source available. To select the power source, press and hold the black button between the two arrows until the power source symbols flash. Use the arrow buttons to scroll to the power source required. Press the black button again to confirm. The fridge will then power up automatically. Once you've confirmed your power source, you can now select your preferred temperature. Again, using the arrow buttons and pressing the black button to confirm. A stands for automatic and will automatically select the best power source available. Once either the electric or gas power source has been selected, it will take about 3 to 4 hours for the fridge to get down to temperature. Before driving, switch the power source to the battery symbol. Once the engine is running, a current will then be supplied directly from the alternator, which will maintain the temperature of the fridge whilst on the move. To turn off the fridge, press and hold the main black power button on the left until the lights on the panel go out.